Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best outdoor roller skates that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Roller Derby FireStar V2 quad skates. As you probably know, roller skating demands a lot of confidence and undivided attention. For this reason, you will need skates that offer superior support regarding speed, control, and reliability. This is a durable, lightweight and streamlined skate designed to offer you the best experience. You will love the high quality and ergonomic structure that is impact resistant. The structure conforms to your legs, giving you more control and flexibility. The pair also features premium and oversized wheels. This offers you with a super smooth glide, allowing you to ride through the streets with ease. What's more, you will also enjoy the superior fit that allows you to feel comfortable even when you are riding for long trips. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bladerunner Inline skate by Rollerblade Advantage Pro. The foundation of the best roller skates is the structure. These skates come with an ergonomic design that will allow the user to have more control when skating. Increasing the user control will ensure stability, preventing accidents even when riding at high speeds. These skates' structure will lower the center of gravity, offering you with more balance. This makes them an excellent choice for beginners and advanced users. Also, these skated combine this with an anatomical and sleek design. This attractive look makes you stand out. You will also love the non-marking braking that makes them ideal for use in the indoors as well as the outdoors. The model also boasts of a great combination of bearing and wheels that gives the user more control and speed. This makes them not intimidating for a new user while ensuring a smooth and easy roll. At number 3, we have the Xinisports adjustable inline skates. Delight your kid or collaborate with these attractive skates from Xinisports. These skates are designed to help them discover the extreme fun that comes with rollerblading. Besides the high-end construction materials, these skates come with 8 wheels that emit colorful light as your skates. Besides illuminating the rolling surface, this makes you stand out. The skates are also comfortable thanks to the soft foam inner lining as well as ankle support. They are also easy to adjust, allowing your kids to use them for longer. The skates are crafted from premium quality materials coupled with exceptional artistry. Unlike other models on the market, these skates come with tough polyurethane wheels and high-quality bearing. This ensures better control for a smoother riding experience. Additionally, the wheels will rotate more smoothly, allowing for longer glides as well as quicker acceleration. At number 2, we have the Roller Derby Womens VTech 500 button adjustable inline skate. If you love spending time with your daughter in the outdoor, you will love these skates. This is one of the best gifts you can give your daughter. You simply need your paw and get her, and she will absolutely love spending time with you. These skates come with a beautiful theme that will make you stand out. We love the reliable handcrafted design that comes with a sturdy frame, durable wheels, and dependable stopper. To ensure the best mother and daughter experience, these skates come with accurate sizes that will fit you well. They also ensure the best experience thanks to their soft interior for a comfortable experience as well as buckle closure for a customized fit. This will ensure maximum safety even at high speeds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Roller Derby Fun Roll Girls roller skate. Do you love skating on concrete or tarmac pavements and you would want an ergonomic pair of skated to replace your worn-out pair? Well, these roller skates are an excellent choice. Having been in the market for quite a long time, these skates from Roller Derby guarantees with a performance you will love. They come with well-designed wheels that are not only durable but also ensure a smooth riding experience. These wheels are coupled with high-performance bearings that allow and high traction to ensure your safety. Over the years, these models have remained popular amongst women for their unbeatable stability. They also feature a sturdy frame that molds to your legs as well as a soft interior that ensures the best comfort. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.